Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Or afternoon, I don't know what time you're watching. But anyway, I'm in the shoe shop. It's getting close to the holidays around here. Telling you, my mother-in-law took my kid and I've got time to work. So I'm gonna. The birdhouse from yesterday is dry. So I'm going to flip it upside down today and we're going to get all of this. See the green under the eaves, all that stuff. We're going to get that painted up. Obviously, I got to paint the bottom. Thinking I'll just paint that gray since I'm going to have the gray going. And then what I want to do is touch up the white on here. So I had just spray painted this whole thing to sort of prime it. And I want to make sure these are all cleaned up. The little pickets here are cleaned up. Plus, I may put some transfers in it. Some rub-on transfers. So I have little floral transfers. And then I had that. Here they are. Hang on. I got those pack of mushroom ones that I didn't know what to do with. That's an obscene looking mushroom. I'm not the only one with a dirty mind. Okay, I'm not bad. When I bought the Christmas transfers, they threw in this little pack of mushroom ones, and I went, what am I going to do with these? But it's got little greenery here that can go between the pickets and, you know, little florally things and a mushroom, not the obscene mushroom. Boy, two of them are obscene. One male and one female obscene. I don't know who's creating these things, but get a 12-year-old boy to look at this. He'll tell you. So we're going to flip this over. First of all, I'm going to flip it over first because you can see this needs a second coat up here. But if I do that first again, then I'm stuck waiting to turn it over. So I need to flip this upside down and get under these eaves. I think I can get under these eaves pretty well. Got my brush here. Little art brush. It's clean, it's soft, it's fluffy, and then we've got our paint. Telling ya. So, never mind. That's a totally different conversation. I'm not going to have that conversation with you right now. I have ADHD and my mind is like, so I should talk about that. I should talk about it. No, we're not doing that today. We're doing this. No, I can't take my meds because if I take my meds, I don't feel creative. I don't have much time to work today, though, because I do have a date night tonight with my husband. I'm going to a fancy restaurant tonight. I actually have to take a shower and look pretty. It's not my strong suit. Y'all know. I got issues when I have to get dressed up. I'm like, oh, I don't like it. I am not going to the awards dinner this year. I've already decided because something bad's going to happen. Like bad haircut, bad, you know what I mean? So I had decided I'm not going. My boss can pick up my awards. Ugh. All right, let me get this open, mixed up, and I'm going to get you guys switched around so you can see what I'm working on. But no point in you guys sitting here while I'm trying to grunt and groan and open this darn thing. Sometimes there's got to be a better way. There's got to be a better paint can. There's got to be a better paint can. I can't be the only one. I could put a man on the moon. I can wirelessly charge things. I can talk to you from 1,000 miles away as if you're standing right next to me. But we still can't come up with a better paint can. All right, she's mixed. And we got this here. So the first thing we're going to do is do the tap and push method. So I don't even know that you can see that in the video. But trying to get up underneath here without taping anything off is always a challenge. I still find it really shocking that somebody got rid of their kids' project. Maybe it was like a teacher that got rid of a kid's project. I don't know. Trying to find any excuse for it to be not the parent that got rid of this, because it's just, that's just mean. They put their heart and soul into this. And I'm just going to paint the bottom gray too, because I have it out. I don't want to take the pink out right now. Should I have primed the bottom? It's the bottom. I don't even normally paint the bottom, but here we are, because if I'm going to sell this, everybody gets mad that I don't finish off the bottom. So let's finish off the bottom. But I don't want to waste too much paint and primer on this base. I'm going to have to trim off the pink. All right, the bottom's painted, the underneath is painted. Once this is dry, we're gonna let this dry. I will come back and do a second coat on the roof, and then we'll have to clean up around the pink here. I made a mess. Okay, let's paint the top. I've got a new brush because that is gonna be too watery. I cleaned the threads, so theoretically this should open easier, and it did. All right, let's clean this off here. Got some glitter on there. Let's just make sure we get it all cleaned up. Go back and forth to make sure I clean up all those little white spots that show up. I've got a tiny little art brush here. We're going to use to touch up underneath the eaves. All right, everything is dry, and I touched up under the eaves again. I have to get ready for my date night in a little bit, but before I do, I want to put some mushrooms on this little guy. And I'm going to start with putting a little cluster of mushrooms right there at the back of the house. I'm going to put that mushroom right down there on the ground. Cute. That's adorable. I want to put, they've got these little ferns here that I'd like to get on the front of the house, I think. Oh, did I forget to put that in the water? Crap. This is how I wreck so many brushes, because I forget to put them in the water. put the second one on the other side. Cute. Now let's see, what else do we have? Got a little embellishment on the front, a little embellishment on the side. I do have, this kind of looks like a vine that maybe I could put through the pickets. Let's try that. I feel like if we just strategically place it, we could get it to look like a vine. Cute. We did have a little more greenery here. I'm going to cut off, just wrap around the edge of that fence. Cute. Now there's greenery all the way around. Cute, 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 cute. Okay. What else we got? What else we got? What else can we do? More mushrooms. Not the obscene ones. I will say these come off better than the mushrooms. I don't remember whose these are. Is this the... Doesn't say on the back, like Dixie Belle or something like that. Somebody's transfers. No. Where are those transfers? I don't remember. Come on. There we go. All right, got a mushroom on the back. Mushroom on the side. I don't think if I put a mushroom over here, you think it'd be a little weird. So what do we have? What do we got? What do we got? What more do we want to do to this? So I'll show you the wreath I was talking about. So remember these Christmas ones? If we took the wreath, just cut it off here. And went around the hole. Is that too much? Is it too Christmassy? I'm interested to know what you guys think. Because I feel like leaving this with just a plain, you know, like pink and gray, plain, is just not the vibe I'm going for. This is helpful, but I'm afraid that if I put this on there, it's going to skew Christmas because of the white. It's going to look snowy where this is all very springy. And the other wreath they had in this collection was very pink and very, very Christmassy to me. So I don't know. That's what I'm working with here. All right. I think for today, this is going to be all we do. I think it looks cute with the little embellishments on it. And it's all cleaned up. I got a dirt smudge on there. But I think it looks super cute like that. Very adorable. Do wish there was something up here or something like, you know what I wish I had? Was a transfer of a window. Like, it would be cute if the sides had windows on them. But the only one that I do have that's a window, where was that? No. Was the Christmas window. Was the snowy window. Wait, well, not the vibe we're going for. We're going for spring. So, I don't know. I'm interested to hear what you guys think I should do next on it. If I shouldn't do anything to it. I got to find a bird yet. I think I want to stick a bird down in here. Just sort of sit there. But other than that, let me know what you guys think we should do. But this is a vast improvement over the polka dots, even though if it were my kid, I'd still have the polka dot and striped, brightly colored birdhouse. But as far as putting it in the shop, this is going to go better for sure. We have a lot of people that buy birdhouses and it's a thing. But I have to go get pretty. And as I get older, that takes a little longer. So I got to get a shower and get cleaned up and go on my date night. I haven't had a date night in so long. I'm so excited. And usually I can't convince him to go out to dinner, but here we are. We're going out to dinner. And I'm happy. I'm very excited. So anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more junkin' videos.